This video is about fail-safe capability on alarm warning or shutdown light. First, let's talk about the main purposes or functions of alarm warning or shutdown light. They are to provide a visual warning, to attract attention, or to prompt immediate action. Then, what is a fail-safe concept? To fail safe is to ensure when a piece of a hardware stops or breaks down, it will revert back to a safe state. In regards to electrical equipment, a safe state is a state where no power exists on the equipment. So what is a safe state for alarm warning or shutdown lights? Is it on or off? We have two lights here. This one is an alarm light and it is fail-safe capable, while this one, a shutdown light, is not. The fail-safe alarm light is wired to the normally closed contact of the first relay, and the non-fail-safe shutdown light is wired to the normally open contact of the second relay. Fail-safe, non-fail-safe. The two relays are controlled by the PLC. Currently, there are some active alarm and shutdown conditions. If everything is connected and functions properly, both lights should be on to prompt immediate action. However, if the wires between the PLC and the two control relays are loose, the PLC is faulted or powered down, only the fail-safe alarm light is lit up and successfully provide a visual warning that something wrong is going on, because the contact that controls the light returns to its normally closed position when the relay receives no signal from the PLC. That is why warning, alarm, or shutdown lights should be programmed for fail-safe capability. When there is no active warning, alarm, or shutdown condition, the PLC output for these indications should be on or energized. And in regards to electrical wiring, these lights should be wired to normally closed contact of control relays that control them. That would be it for this video. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful and you like the content of my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. A separate thanks at the lower right corner is also a great way to show your support to my channel. Thank you.